Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for this. Thank you for your attention in this occasion. This is the moment of our research to explain. So I'm very glad about it. My name is Fitri Puji Ramawati, and our research is teachers' need for early reading learning books in distance learning. Our team are Dini Restianti, Pratiwi, Murfiah, Dewi Wulandari, and also Rizka Sitariandani. We come from Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Okay, let's do the presentation in the next. Okay. In introduction, I will explain about read. Read is one activity that becomes part of life man every day. Loyal activities carry out man he healthy to see letters good in combine various letter nor unit standing letters alone. And this is a state of Fatimah in 2019. Our research is about early reading. So in Astuti, Awal, and Mutiara, the state of early reading is one of the activities more literacy, emphasis, recognition, and pronunciation of symbols, a sound consisting of letters, words, and sentences in the simple form. Reading is an activity auditive and visual for getting meaning in the text. Nah, okay. In the subject of our research is about teachers' need to learning early reading. So, learning tools used by teacher have not nonsense of solution to students' barriers to reading at the beginning, and indicators only include cognitive aspect. The lesson plans do not meet the curriculum instruction, and objectives are listed on the product and do not include the process. This is of state of Dharma, and the result for introduction based on many study relevant. This court concluded that study about teacher needs in teacher start for student first grade school based not yet on one's conducted before. Existence analysis needs reading learning tools start could help teachers in teacher start and upgrade ability read student too. So this is an interesting interesting research in first grade school, and absolutely for first grade school in pandemic or in distance learning. Method in this research is qualitative method, and data in this research from SD Muhammadiyah Program Khusus Kota Barat Surakarta, SD Muhammadiyah 1 Ketelan Surakarta, SD Muhammadiyah 4 Kandang Sapi Surakarta, SD Muhammadiyah 7 Joyo Surat Surakarta, and SD Muhammadiyah 10 Tipes Surakarta. 5 school in Surakarta. The collection techniques for the collection data with interview, observation, and analysis document. The data analysis techniques in study this using an interactive model of data analysis. And the result and discussion for teachers need to learning in beginning readings in the distance learning is 5 point. Number 1, the beginning readings textbooks in accordance with needs participant educate. And number 2, method and easy teaching understood participant educate. Number 3, textbook with simple material. And number 4, appropriate textbook with in terms of development psychological study. Number 5, reading textbook beginning integrated with Islamic values. Okay, I will explain that point. In number 1 is the beginning readings textbook in accordance with needs participant educate. With interview all teachers so that in their class have students who have not capable reading and at enter elementary school in early reading, this student not capable for reading. Teacher state that ability read student in class categories as to in 3 levels. That is can reading, and number 2 less reading and not get reading. In this moment, many textbooks that have not in accordance with criteria and needs participant educate. So teacher needs beginning readings textbook in accordance with needs participant educate. And number 2, point and 2, method and easy teaching understood participant educate. Method spell rate effective in increased ability rate start for student first grade elementary school. Teacher teacher frequent method used to increase ability rate student, that is method spell. Rismawati, the state is spell method or method spell is very increase ability to read student. Teacher give additional study hours or remedial. And number 2, with remedial. Number 1 method spell, and number 2 with remedial. At the end school, with apply various methods what he has mastered. This method is usually start with no letters, syllables, then words. Teachers starts from know the alphabet method at the beginning of learning and early reading material. Number 3, teacher with alphabet method. Method spell, remedial, and alphabet method is the data, is the accumulation data from the research. Method this is carried out with introduce letters, stringing letters, and combine them becomes syllable. The point 3, textbook with simple materials. The format of the book that is expected by the teacher is to have different characteristics from common textbook or exercise books that can be found in the market. All teachers mention several criteria, including not separating reading and writing materials because they are interconnected. Reading and writing materials is very interconnected of them. Larger in size have larger typography, book format are carried in a coherent, attractive, colorful, and illustrated manner, interactive, not monotonous, and have Islamic content. This is perhaps a teacher's need for textbook with simple material. And point 4 about appropriate within terms of development psychological study. The psychological development of children that greatly affects the ability to read and write is language. So language is very interesting for develop psychological of children. According to Owens, the development of children language that will be passed by students is the development of phonetics, morphemics, syntax, semantics, and pragmatic. Sorry. The textbooks that are currently used have illustrated images that are appropriate to the context of the child's development and dynamic layout, but more attention needs to be paid to the language used in accordance with the student's language development. The typeface or typography is too small, the size of the book is larger, there are material summaries and more varied exercise. And this is a textbook with criteria for development psychological study. And the last teachers need is reading textbook beginning integrated with Islamic values. Regarding the learning condition at SD Muhammadiyah Surakarta, it was found that in each lesson, the children link Islamic values spontaneously or without planning. Teachers associate these values usually when there are students who make mistakes both to themselves and to others. Some teachers also associate these values with the material they teach, although according to him, not all materials can relate to them. And as Mubarak said, the application of Quranic values is carried out by educators by understanding in advance that students are creatures consisting of physical, mind, and soul element. So they must be viewed, faced, and treated with all of their elements simultaneously. Both in terms of material, method, and delivery time, the teacher should be able to simultaneously deliver this material. So the teachers can implement it simultaneously. A textbook is needed that integrated the values of the Quran with everyday learning at school. And the conclusion, based on the findings of the teacher need, it can be concluded that teachers need to have a basis for teaching an early reading skill, so that learning materials can be absorbed more quickly by students. The basis for teaching an early reading can be realized in the form of an early reading textbook. This textbook should also be equipped with values that contain Islamic teachings originating from the Quran as the basic values of life for students. This is our presentation. So this is the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.